Hi, it's Verona from Elite, and we have finished our closet renovation. So here is the after. I'll take you on a little tour of my closet now. Okay. Ooh, it's kind of bright. So we've now changed things up, and maybe I'll start on this side. Here we go. Look at that. So now we've got a tall rod. Underneath, I've got some of my little one shoe rack. Then I have above it, I have my lovely purses all organized with acrylic dividers. And look at that, I've got these great boxes. They fit perfectly. They fit all my mementos. And there's my shelves with all my clothes, neat and tidy. Love it. And over here, another bunch of purses, my winter. And then I've got two rods. So there's one on top and one on the bottom. And then over here, we have all my necklaces, and there's a little, what do I call it? My scarves, so that you can see what you're doing. And of course, below that, I've got my shoe rack. Gotta like that, hey? And Ken on the other side has his, he's got some boxes on top too, and he's got his racks for his shirts, but he has a drawer system. Don't you love that? I love these pulls. They're gorgeous. Yeah, there's his socks. So we've had some fun doing this. What I wanted to really show you in this is the last one, you could see how close this was. I've just moved each rod out by 2 inches on each side, and it gave a huge amount of space, 4 inches inside the center. It's a lot. And we just organized everything. We didn't really get rid of a lot of stuff. We still have pretty much the same amount of stuff, but being better organized, it sure gives us a lot more space. I am so excited about this. It's just turned out perfectly, better than I can imagine. I even put darn flowers in here because it feels like a little room. We could have table and chairs and have wine. Well, we could have wine pretty much anywhere, I guess. So that is our new closet. I am super excited about it. I hope you can come up with some of the ideas that we've done and maybe incorporate them in your own closet. And if you need anything, of course, call us at Elite. We'd love to take care of it. Thank you. Bye.